The largest manufacturing trade show of the year is coming to the Long Beach Convention Center on October 12th and 13th, and you're invited.
Where you're going to meet face-to-face with hundreds of suppliers. Especially, you're going to meet one of the best providers of CNC, CNC Swiss, and screw machine products. And that is us, Roberts Automatic Products. I'm Matt, here's our booth, and come and see me. Register right here, and admission is free. We are a precision shop. We live in the tighter tolerance world.
Customers want the best possible product.
We're constantly looking at ways to take cost out and become more efficient.
At Roberts, we have three areas of machining. We've got our CNC department, we've got our Swiss department, CNC Swiss, and then we have screw machines. In a house that can provide you with tighter than normal tolerance on harder machine materials, that's going to provide you with significant value-added product.
That means we deliver on time, we deliver quality parts, we help solve problems.
There's no single element in making a great part. It's a collective of many elements combining into one to provide an outstanding process, generating an outstanding part. And that's what you can expect from Roberts Automatic.
See what's new in technology and manufacturing methods. Register now, because these 2 days can change everything.